Tongona koro dwaro mondo mitend kaunti ma Nairobi migi thuolo mar twak kendo chopo winjruok ka gibiro tayo tijegi kar ketonegi okum.
Riwruogno kokadho kuom jatendgi dwaro mondo mi piny owacho migi thuolo mar dweche 6 ka gichugo chike ma gibiro tiyogo e duoko piny koko ma gigoyo e kinde mag otieno, ma ka ok kamano to migi thuolo mar dweche 12 nyaka 18 mar dar kendo yawo kuonde mamoko e chuny boma ma Nairobi.
Ywak margi en ni ji mathoth osewito tije nikech kumno, ka bende gidwaro mondo mi piny owacho wuog oko kendo lero gimomiyo moko kuom gima tiye dukni madongo kaka malls olor kata bedo ni gionge machiegni kod kuonde ma oganda odakie.
Part of the solution is DJs, and also part of those affected being that the DJ industry employs over 23,000 young people who are currently rendered jobless. Yes, we agree with what is being proposed, but full closure will have tremendous socio-economic effects, with job loss being on top of the list.
On Friday, we learned that the Nairobi City County Governor, His Excellency Sakaja, had ordered the closure of all nightclubs within the city. We found this action to be punitive because all stakeholders weren't involved in the decision to shut them down. Our call to the Governor of Nairobi City County, His Excellency Johnson Sakaja, is to give dialogue a chance. Let us come together, sit on one table, and review the issues amicably.
If a club is within a commercial area, then somebody comes and builds somewhere near the commercial area. I don't know who came to invade in whose space, but now that is upon the government and the county government to also get those things in order to avoid such things because entrepreneurs have invested.